So hello friends, I welcome you all in this YouTube channel. So this question has been asked in ESC 2002 examination. So let us solve this question. So please read the question statement. The resistance seen from the terminals A and B of the device whose characteristic is shown in the figure, right? So this is the characteristic which is shown in the figure, and it is a characteristic of a particular device, right? Then you have to calculate the resistance seen from the terminals A and B, right? You have to calculate this. So A, B, C, D are the four options, and out of these four options only one option is correct, and you have to choose that correct option, right? So how to solve this question? So to solve this question, just analyze this characteristic, right? So on this horizontal axis, voltage is plotted, and on this vertical axis you will see the current. Then that means current has been plotted on this vertical axis, right? So now just you can analyze this, and you tell me that when current is zero, what is the voltage? When current is zero, what is the value of voltage? 20 volts. See, on the horizontal axis, which is voltage axis, your current is zero, right? And on the vertical axis, which is current axis, the voltage is zero, right? So when current is zero, that means it is the horizontal axis, and this characteristic is cutting this horizontal axis at this point, right? That is 20, right? 20 volts. So at this point the voltage is 20 volts, right? 20 volts. So V, that means voltage is given in volts and current is given in amperes, right? Now tell me when voltage is zero, what is the value of current? Just analyze this characteristic. When voltage is zero, when this voltage is zero, what is the value of current? See, it is -4 ampere. When voltage is zero, that means it is the vertical axis, and on vertical axis the current has been plotted, right? So this characteristic is cutting this vertical axis at -4, at this point -4. So this is -4 ampere. So this is equal to -4 amperes, right? So when current is zero, that means in the open circuit condition, voltage is 20 volts. So that means this is nothing but the open circuit voltage, right? This is nothing but the open circuit voltage. So let me denote this voltage by a suffix OC. OC indicate the open circuit. So this is the open circuit voltage, which is 20 volts, which you can find out when current is zero. That means open circuit. Now when voltage is zero, that means this is the short circuit condition. Under the short circuit condition, you will find this current -4 ampere. So this is nothing but the short circuit current, right? So let me give another suffix ISC. This is short circuit current, right? Okay. So that means the corresponding resistance will be nothing but the ratio of these two, right? So VOC by ISC, that means open circuit voltage divided by short circuit current. That's a method. to calculate this resistance from the terminals A and B, right? So when you see the resistance across the terminal AB, that means you will have to look the network like this, right? So this is equal to 20 divided by short circuit current is 4 ampere, right? So see here, this is minus 4 ampere, right? Or you can say plus 4 ampere, plus 4 ampere in opposite direction, right? Plus 4 ampere in opposite direction. So resistance, you know, it cannot be negative. It's a positive quantity, so that's why you will have to take this current with positive sign and not with the negative sign, right? So you will write 4 here instead of minus 4, right? So this comes out to be equal to how much? 5 ohms, right? So which option is correct? Option C is correct. This option is correct, right? Resistance is 5 ohms, right? Option C is correct, right? So this is the simplest method to solve this question, right? All right. So there is another method by which you can solve this question. What is that another method? So another method is method number 2. This, let us see, suppose this is the method number 1 and this is method number 2. So just find out the equation of this line. What is the equation of this line? Can you find out? So this coordinate of this point, it will be 0 comma minus 4, right? And what is the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point is nothing but 20 comma 0, right? So you know the coordinate of these 2 points. So can you write the equation of this line? Equation of this line, can you write? So you know equation of this line is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, right? So suppose this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Then you will write I y minus y1, that means I minus y1 is minus 4, so that means you will write minus 4, right? And here what is the slope of this line? Let me write in a condensed way. So y minus y1, that means I minus y1 is minus 4, right, is equal to mx minus x1. M is the slope of this line. So slope of this line is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? So here you will write 0, that is y2, minus y1, y1 is minus 4, so that means it will become plus 4, minus minus plus, so plus, divide by x2 minus x1, so that means you will write 20 minus 0, right? So this is the slope of this line, right? And into you will write x minus x1, right? So v minus x1 is 0, right? x1 is 0. So here you will get I plus 4 is equal to v by 5, or you can write v is equal to 5I plus 20. So that is the equation of this line, right? That's the equation of this line. V is equal to 5I plus 4. This is V by 5, right? So V is equal to 5I plus 20. Right? So resistance will be nothing but dV by di. So take this differentiation dV by di to get the desired value of resistance. So when you take dV by di, differentiate it with respect to current, so you will get 5 ohm, right? So this is the another way by which you can calculate this, right? So likewise you can calculate this resistance, right? So this is the answer. Which is the answer? C is the answer. So if you choose this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2, you will get the same equation and you will get the same value of resistance. You can solve this. So R, resistance R is dV by di, that is equal to 5 ohms, right? So this is another method by which you can solve this question. So answer C, option C is correct, right? So for all such kind of question you can subscribe to this channel. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.